So last year, I quit my corporate job in Australia to come to China to learn Mandarin and explore this beautiful country. Travelling is one of my biggest passions, and if you've been watching this channel for a while, you might also know that another great passion of mine is hiking. I've hiked some beautiful trails in my time, like the Patagonia O-Trek, Machu Picchu in Peru, the Grand Canyon in the US, and of course, all over Australia. But I recently realised I've done barely any hiking since I've come to China. That had to change. I'm currently in Kunming, the provincial capital of Yunnan, visiting a Chinese friend. He mentioned that there's a famous mountain called Xishan, which, if you make it all the way to the Dragon Gate at the top, provides a stunning view over Kunming and Dianshi Lake. I hadn't hiked in so long, so I barely gave it a second thought. I had to check it out. I was really looking forward to escaping the hustle and bustle and getting back out into nature. But what I hadn't quite thought through was that escaping the hustle and bustle during China's busiest holiday, Chinese New Year, might be easier said than done. Okay, I am here at Western Hills Park. I've only just come out of the train station, but man, I can already see some beautiful views going on here of the city. And apparently they get better the further you go into the park, so very excited about that. I've heard there are a couple of things I need to do. One of them is the Dragon Gate, and I think that requires a ticket. I believe it's 40 yuan, but we'll find out in a moment. There are cable cars in here, but not really interested in taking them. I heard that the whole park you can hike in about 4 hours, so I'm excited to get in here. Let's go. Absolute chaos at the ticketing booth. 你好，如果我要爬山去龙门，需要票吗？好像不要。不需要，不要，可以直接走。到龙门那里就要票了。在那里可以吗？上面也可以，上面也可以。OK， 谢谢。进去去穿之后马上回来。Chinese New Year crowds be like this. Wow, this is a cool little village. Just at the base of the mountain here. 这个地方的名字是什么？18沟。是木工的拆解。啊，主要是以木器为主，这些都是自己做的。哦，自己做。啊，对，木工。哦，真的？是你做的吗？不是，爸爸做的。都是云南的咖啡豆。对，是的，都是云南豆。Nice to meet you too. He's got a little workshop here. Also a coffee place. It sells Yunnan specialty coffee. 啊，上楼吗？上楼，跑进楼可以看到那个滇池大陆，超级美，往上往下特别美。哦 ，OK 啊，是你刚刚说的。Let's go. Wow. Oh, he's got another workshop up here. 都是你爸爸做的。哇，他很厉害。What a coffee place. What's this? It's a camera. 你好 Hello. 你知道澳大利亚在哪里？不知道，很远。袋鼠，你知道吗？知道，这是我们的。Oh, what a cute little place. And I got myself a Yunnan coffee. It's about 5 kilometers to the top. So, certainly not as many people as I thought there were going to be here, but I imagine up at the Dragon Gate, which is meant to be the most famous place here, it's going to be a little busy. These are everywhere, poignant little slogans. Chinese scenic zones. Every 500 meters there's ice cream, refreshments, a children's playground and a sand pit. And trampolines? Amazing. So everyone else is going up there, but there's a little park here that, oh, here we go, that looks quite nice. Oh man, it's huge. Oh, there's a rhododendron garden, Magnolia Garden, Azalea Garden, sweet-scented osmanthus. Oh, my mum would love this. All right, let's put my nose to the test, shall we? Look at all these flowers. It's the dead of winter, guys. I guess there is a reason why Kunming is famous for its flowers. Alright, let's get back on the trail to the Dragon Gate. Another poignant slogan to add to the list. Looks like they've got a full theme park here. They've got go-karts just here. And then a massive water slide. That actually looks quite fun. You come hoping to climb a mountain, but instead you get wooden paths, water slides and go-karts. Look at how much my outfit differs from what other people are wearing. Heels, an overcoat and a dress. It's like they're going out for dinner. Maybe there's a restaurant at the top. Who knows? Look, to be fair, I think most people just take this walk quite leisurely. I am sort of smashing it just because I haven't really exercised very much. Traveling and doing YouTube is a little bit, I don't know, I'm not quite used to only doing things one day and then just spending 2 days editing in a seat. Kind of feels like working in a way, like working a desk job. Anyway, just means I need to cherish these chances I do get to come out and appreciate this beautiful scenery. Okay, we have come, I believe, from here. Went all the way through the Magnolia Garden. Started this path called the Taihua Ancient Passway, halfway to the Dragon Gate. Ah, here we go. Here's the huge line to get in. Yeah. Hello. Hello. Everyone's so friendly. Everyone always wants to practice their English. Yeah, 我要进去。自己进去。30。谢谢。Easy enough? 谢谢。And the climb begins. How's this for a location of a temple? Kunming is beautiful. My God. Tour groups. We call this Xishan, Renhai. Yeah. So many people. I guess this is me now. One step at a time. Oh, this is ridiculous. This has exceeded my expectations. Goes all the way up there. Keeps going. Oh, I think I'm just going to turn around. I can't be bothered. I seriously can't be bothered. Yeah, let's turn around. I'm going completely off trail because I could not handle that. If this is the way down, I'm going the way down. Oh my gosh. That just keeps going all the way up the mountain. Yep, nah, I'm going down. I'm not going up. I can't handle that. Well, that was probably a bit anticlimactic, wasn't it? Basically, all the people that took buses took them to this point, and although I walked and it was quite nice to not have that many people around me the whole time, as soon as I got here, far out, it was like herding cattle. I actually cannot believe that. That was something else. It may not have come through on camera, but I really was quite disappointed that I missed out on seeing the Dragon Gate. I'm the kind of person that really dislikes it when I don't achieve goals that I set for myself, especially when it comes to hiking. But as I was coming down the mountain, I remembered I had one last trick up my sleeve. Okay, so the Dragon Gate is back up that way. I've walked down probably about 500 meters. There's like this little trail with absolutely no one on it. And I'm trying to find a place I can get the drone in the air. But the problem here is, I've been walking for 600 meters odd. There's nowhere without trees. And I need somewhere without trees, otherwise I can't take off. Okay, I think I found a spot. There are trees right above me, but I reckon fly it straight out of there. Let's see what this looks like. Well guys, I managed to find my peace and quiet once again. It was a bit anticlimactic not getting to that Dragon Gate, but I got some cool drone footage for you also. Hopefully that suffices. If you've enjoyed this video, give it a like, subscribe if you want to join me on the rest of my journey, and I'll see you in the next one.